Okay, in part 1 of teardown, I'm going to show you how to take off your fender, or actually both fenders, and then your front bumper. Well, as you can see, I already got the headlights and the grill off already. I'm just going to show you how to take the two fenders and bumper off. See you in the next clip. And as you can see, I'm going to show you now how to take one of your fenders off. So you got a bolt here, bolt there, bolt there. There's a bolt right there. Then you got a bolt here. There's one down here, and then one underneath. They're all 13 32 socket, and you just go like this. Just like that. Oh, I missed a few. And I'll see you in the next clip. I forgot to mention in the last clip that you also have to be with the turn signal. Maybe careful of this and not ripping it. And I also forgot there was a bolt right here. Well, if you live in the northern part of the U.S. like I do, you gotta deal with rust, which sucks. But I live in the north. See you in the next clip. Okay, on the part of the bumper, these fog light that's got, there's a bolt over here, one here, and you also had the bracket that was connected to it. It went like this. So there's like 3 bolts here, and then one up there to hold it up there. There's also, if I can get that one, and that one, and then you had a bunch of these up here, which I already took off. And then you also have the same underneath here, just like I get those two. And then also that fog light, which would be the same as this one. So see you in the next clip. As you can see, I forgot to mention there was a electrical one, and you should get a unclip from right there, and then this whole fog light comes out, which I need to get a new one or 2, because that one busted. So next clip. Here you go. That's how you take off your 2 fenders and your front bumper, and this is what it would look like with no fenders and no front bumper. There you go. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.